Today is the first day of summer 2017. It's about 8:15 a.m. I got my cap cam on and I hope it's pointed up a little bit this time. So I'm out here with the Powerglider. Powerglider and a little gentle breeze from the east. So I have to toss it into the east here, but I'm going to do a lot of checks here right now. See what's going on. Set the timer. It's not even locking on. There it goes. I don't know if I have a... I'm going to do a radio check here. Pretty good with the short range on the rangefinder. Hard to see if I got a GPS lock though. In the sunshine here. Yeah, I got 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, we got too much wind here. I'll bring it in. Wind is really taking it, man, I'm telling you. But I got it in. I couldn't check any RTO or anything else. It's too damn windy out here. At least I'm glad I got it flying. Glad I got it flying. And it does fly. And we went for about 5 minutes just to check it out. I got it flying, I'm glad. It'll fly. It'll blow away that way. It is kind of windy. I'm afraid I'm not going to fly Gentle Lady today. It's just too windy out. So I'm going to try a quadcopter and let's see if the I think it's going to be quad, a loom quad with the camera, and just check the distance on it and use maybe the goggles. So I'm going to shut off the head cam and set up for just video checks on the video cameras and maybe the video goggles for quad loom quad. Loom quad. Okay, shut it off. Shutting off the head cam.